Welcome to yet another screencast. This one is going to be on the inflammatory response, what triggers it, what it does, and why it's good. To start off with is why it's good. So anytime your body's defenses are breached, you've ruptured your skin or a mucous membrane, you get inflammation, this is ultimately going to prevent the spread of damage, seal off the area, cause coagulation, blood clots, all of that stuff. It'll dispose of the debris and the pathogens, so your macrophages and other white blood cells, and then it sets the stage for repair. Specifically, number 3 here means that oxygen, glucose, protein, and other raw materials that are going to be needed to repair and rebuild the damaged area are going to be delivered to the wound due to the inflammatory response. This part is not important. We all know what inflammation is. It swells, it's red, it feels warm, and it doesn't feel good. You get pain. From here, what I'm going to do is skip over the next couple of slides and talk about the material that's on this slide, or that slide, or that slide, or this one. And I'm just going to show you the figure from the book and talk through the information that's on the slide. So it all starts with tissue injury. This injury, be it either to your skin or a mucous membrane, may cause bacteria or viruses to be able to get inside of your body. If that happens, the bacteria cause immune reactions, which leads to inflammation, and viruses also activate your immune system, which can lead to inflammation. Even if there isn't infection there, you're still rupturing tissue, and anytime cells are killed, anytime cells within your body break open, they're going to release a whole host of chemicals that aren't supposed to be floating around in the bloodstream. So whether or not you have infection, you're still going to get the release of things like histamines, prostaglandins, kinins, and perhaps leukocytosis inducing factor. So when all of these things get released, there's a lot that goes on. The inflammatory chemicals cause vasodilation of the arteries. This is going to bring more blood flow to the area. In addition to the vasodilation, you're also going to get increased capillary permeability, which means more fluid is going to be leaking out of these capillaries. We call this fluid exudate. It's primarily plasma, and it's going to have in it all of the good stuff that the plasma delivers to your body, such as clotting proteins, glucose, and any of the other raw materials that might be needed either to fight the infection or to repair the area. In addition to vasodilation and capillary permeability, you also have leukocytosis inducing factor, which is causing the production of more white blood cells, and inflammatory chemicals attracting these white blood cells to the area. So this combination of increased blood flow, permeability, and chemoattractants means that lots of white blood cells are going to crawl out of the capillary walls and into the wound and start clearing the area of debris. And that pretty much sums up all of the information on the inflammatory response that you need to know. The triggers up here, and then everything that happens as a result of those triggers, and then the healing, which is sealing off the area, clearing the debris. Well, yeah, sealing off the area and clearing the debris. And we'll leave it at that.